Today is Friday, April 17th, 2020. The weather's looking pretty gloomy today. We've got a high 53 and a low of 37, and some rain we're going to see in the afternoon that carries into Saturday, but the sun is going to come out for Sunday. And there is going to be a new library contest starting next week. Check the Poundage Library Instagram page for all the details starting Monday. Friday joke of the day. What do you call monkeys that share an Amazon account? Primates. That's it for me. Now off to the next segment with Paige.
Hey guys, it's Paige Wilkinson, and today I'm going to be making chocolate-covered Oreos for my family for dessert tonight, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make them at home too. So first things first, I'm going to head over to the sink and wash my hands, which is something that you should be doing before every time you cook or bake anything. So then I'm just going to be taking a piece of parchment paper and cutting the edges so it fits my baking sheet that I'm going to be putting my Oreos on. So then I'm going to take about 2 cups of chocolate chips and just keep them over low heat on a saucepan so that they melt. Once they start to get soft, I'm just going to stir everything around to make sure that it's all melted. So once everything is melted, I'll then go and pour it into a medium-sized bowl. You can see me struggling with it. So then I will take a small amount of coconut oil, usually about 2 teaspoons, and I'll just throw it in there and then I'll mix it all around until I think it's all mixed. Okay, so now that we have all of the chocolate melted in this bowl, then I'm going to take Oreos and just dip them in there. And then I'm also going to be doing some pretzels because we had some extra chocolate, so we figured why not do some pretzels too. So yeah. Yes, I'm using tongs because I don't want to get my hands in the hot chocolate. Here you can see I'm just one by one dipping the Oreos into the chocolate and then laying them out onto the baking pan or whatever you want to call it. Then I will just take the pretzels and by hand do the same thing. I will then go and place them in the refrigerator and then just set a 10-minute timer for them to sit in there. So while those sit in the fridge for 10 minutes, I'm going to repeat the same process as earlier with the chocolate chips and just melt the white chocolate. And then once all of it is melted, I'll pour it into a little bowl, add some coconut oil, and then I'll just mix it all around till it's mixed together. So after the 10 minutes is up, I will go and get my chocolate covered Oreos that are now cooled down. And I'm going to take a big spoon and use the white chocolate and just kind of drizzle it over the Oreos. Thank you to Meg for the wonderful cinematography, and I'll just continue to do this onto all of the Oreos and pretzels until they're done. And then you have your chocolate covered Oreos and pretzels ready for dessert. Okay, that's it for me. Love you, Daily Ramble. Stay happy, stay healthy, and now off to the next segment.
Hey everybody, Nick Politi here. I'm going to tell you guys something fun to do during quarantine. Read a book. Knowledge is power. That's it for me. Now off to the next segment.
I'm Tyler Maloney here with our announcements for the day. From the College and Career Center, applications are being accepted for the Pearl S. Buck International Global Leadership Program 2020 Summer Sessions. The program is for students in grades 9 to 11 and is designated to help young adults become better students, college applicants, and global citizens. Students build relationships and learn vital skills such as team communication, cultural awareness, creativity, community service, leadership, goal setting, and decision making in a group setting with teams from multiple high schools and differing backgrounds. Students are invited to apply now for summer session number 1. The application deadline is June 22nd, 2020. Classes will be the week of July 13th to July 17th, 2020. More information, the application can be found at the pearlsbuck.org/leadership website. Also, the Pennant Literary Magazine Club at PHS will still be published in some capacity this year. The deadline has been extended. We are still seeking writing submissions and cover designs for the 2020 volume. Our page 1 writer and the artist chosen as our cover designer will both win a $25 Amazon e-gift card. Please visit the link below to enter. All submissions are due by today. Good luck and keep the pen moving, guys. Lastly, from Student Council, hey Penridge, it's that time of year again to vote for your Student Council cabinet for the year 2020 to 2021 school year. Visit your class Canvas page to access the Student Council nominee campaign videos and the Google form you must use to vote for your ideas of candidates. Make your voice heard and submit your vote by tonight at 11:59. That's it for us here at the Daily Ramble. Have a great day, Penridge.